Good morning, everyone. How are you? Okay, in this time we start new chapter playing with whole numbers. First chapter we completed, and about second chapter, Hari Om sir, you discuss about second chapter. Okay, so you watch the video of Hari Om sir and complete the second chapter. Third chapter this time playing with whole numbers. Okay, so first topic is here factors and multiples. Okay, and factor, about factors, a number which divides a given number externally is called the factor of the given number. Okay, for example, here we discuss about factors. Okay, so we find the factor of 6. Okay, so here we know that 1 divide the 6 times. Okay, and 2 divide the 6 3 times, and 3 divide the 6 2 times, and 6 divide the 6 1 time. Okay, so we know that 1 2 3 and 6 divide. 4 divide the 6, not completely, because 1 time and 2 is reminder, so 4 not a factor of 6. So here 1 is factor, 2 is factor, 3 is factor, and 6 is factor. Only 4 factor are here factors of 6, because this date number divide the 6 incompletely. Okay, so here 1 2 3 6 is factor. Again, one more example, factors of 18. Okay, student. So we know that 1 divide the 18 times. 1 divide the 18 times. So we 1 multiply the 18 because 1 divide the 6 times. So 1 and multiply 6. 1 is divisor and 6 is quotient, and divisor and quotient equal to 6. And here divisor and quotient equal to 6. So 1 divide the 18 times. So 1 multiply 18 means 18. Okay, and 2 also divide the 9 times. So answer is 18. And 3 divide 6 times 18. So answer is 18. 4 is not divide the 18, and 5 not divide the 18, and 6 also divide the 3 times. So we write the 6 and 3 here. So here 1 2 3 is factor of 18, and 6 to 18 is factor of 18. Okay, so 1 start from 1 2 3. Okay, start from 1 and go to other side. So we write the factor of 18: 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Okay, one more example, factors of 10. Okay, so we know that 1 multiply 10, because 1 divide the 10 times. Okay, so we know that 1 multiply 10 means 1 is factor and 10 is also factor, and 2 divide the 10 5 times. We find the factor of 10. So 2 divide the 10 5 times. So multiply 2 and 5, and 3 divide the 10 not, 4 divide 10 no, 5 divide 10 2 times. So we write the 2 and 5, also write the 2 and 5. So it is all the factor of 10. So 1 2 5 and 10 is factor of tens. Okay, so here we find the factor of given number, and about some properties is here. Factors properties: 1 is the factor of every number. Here first property is about factor. 1 is factor of every number. We know that here factor of 6. Okay, factors of 6 is 1 2 3 and 6. Okay, so here 1 is every factor of every number. 1 is factor of every number. Okay, next, every number is the factor of itself मतलब खुद का होता है, तो every number is factor of itself. और here 6 is factor of itself, means find the sixth factor of 6, and 6 is also factor of itself, खुद का भी एक फैक्टर है, 1 सभी का होता है ऑलवेज, एंड 6 इज itself. And next is every factor of a number is exact divisor of the that number, means every number divide the given number. 1 is divide the 6 completely, 2 divide the 6 completely, 3 divide the 6 completely, 6 divide the 6 completely. So every factor divide the given number. Okay, and next property is every factor is less than or equal to given number. And in factor term, in factor every factor is less than and equal to given number. It means here we find the factor of 6, and here factor is 4 number, and every factor is less than, here every factor is less than 6. Okay, less than 6 and equal to 6. less than भी है या इक्वल है, जैसे 6 के इक्वल 6 है या उससे छोटा है, लेकिन कभी भी ग्रेटर फैक्टर नहीं आएगा. ग्रेटर नंबर इज नॉट फैक्टर ऑफ गिवन नंबर. ओके, एंड लास्ट इज नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर आर द गिवन नंबर इज फाइनाइट, मीन्स फिफ्थ इज हियर नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर ऑफ ए गिवन नंबर इज फाइनाइट, मीन्स हम उसको काउंट कर सकते हैं, इनकाउंटेबल. हियर वी नो डेट factor of 6 is 4 factor, only 4 factor, we count 4 factor. Factor of 18, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 factor is here, so we count the factors, means number of factor of given number is finite, means उनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. तो ये फैक्टर के बारे में नॉलेज था. आप एक बार और इसको देख लीजिएगा, इतना सा रिपीट कर लीजिएगा, अच्छे से आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज मल्टीपल्स. Okay student, next topic is multiples. Okay, a multiple of a number is number obtained by the multiplying it by a natural number. Okay, means multiple is a number, so we obtain by multiplying the number by any natural number. Okay, for example here we find the multiples of 6. Okay, so we multiply 6 in 1. 1 is natural number, and natural number start from 1 to infinite. You know that natural number infinite, it is a natural number. Okay, natural number, you know about a natural number. So 1 to infinite. So 6 multiply with 1, the answer is 6. 6 multiply 2, the answer is 12. 6 multiply with 3, answer is 18. 6 multiply with 4, answer is 24. So नेचुरल नंबर इज कंटिन्यू 1 to infinite, है ना. सो वी मल्टीप्लाई द 6 in infinite number, so multiple is infinite because multiple is 6 is 12 is 18 is 24 is and 30 36 42 48 54 60 66 something means continue. Okay, so infinite means multiples of any given number is infinite. Okay, because table is not no end, natural number is no end, so multiple is no end. Okay, and about multiple some properties is here, and you know that every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. It means we find the multiple of 9. Okay, so 9 18 27 36 45 is multiple of 9, and as soon as continue. Okay, so every multiple of a number is greater than and equal to, means every multiple equal to or greater than, but not a less than. Multiple is not less than of given number. Okay, so first point is not less than of given number. The number of multiple of a given natural number is infinite. It means multiple is infinite. Okay, infinite, continuous multiples, infinite go to infinite. Natural number is also infinite, so multiple is infinite, not countable. Okay, every number is a multiple of itself. every number you find the multiple of 9. So 9 is multiple of 9. You find the multiple of 6, so 6 is multiple of 6. Okay, तो every number is multiple of itself, means जिसका भी आप निकालते हो वो खुद भी एक मल्टीपल होता है और वो एक फैक्टर भी होता है. ये हमने लास्ट टाइम देखा था, फैक्टर भी होता है, मल्टीपल भी होता है. ओके, itself. One cannot be multiple of any number except विदाउट itself, मतलब वन किसी का भी मल्टीपल नहीं हो सकता है वन के अलावा. मतलब वन के खुद का मल्टीपल वन हो सकता है, लेकिन वन के अलावा वन किसी अदर नंबर का मल्टीपल नहीं होता है. ओके, क्वेश्चन फिफ्थ प्रॉपर्टी इज हियर. एवरी नंबर इज द स्मॉलेस्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ itself और एवरी गिवन नंबर मीन्स मल्टीपल ऑफ 9 इज 9. So 9 is smallest multiple of 9. Okay, so 5 properties is here for the multiples. Next we discuss about exercise 3.1. Okay, first question is here MCQ, and a number which is factor of every number, a number which is factor of every number, it means one number is every number factor, means एक ऐसा नंबर जो सभी का फैक्टर होता है. तो वी नो डेट वन इज फैक्टर ऑफ एवरी नंबर. सो राइट आंसर इज सी. एंड हियर द फर्स्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ 4, फर्स्ट मल्टीपल मीन्स 4 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1. तो 4 मल्टीप्लाई 1 इक्वल टू 4. सो फर्स्ट मल्टीपल इज 4. एंड कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ 112, 133 and 119. So you divide the 16 all the numbers completely, and 17 you divide the 17 by the whole number, and you divide the 19 by whole number and 7 by. So एक ऐसा नंबर जो इन सभी नंबर को कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड करेगा वो इनका कॉमन फैक्टर होगा. मीन्स एक नंबर 2 को डिवाइड करता है, तीसरे को नहीं करता है, तो वो तीनों का कंप्लीट कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होगा. तीनों को ही डिवाइड करना है. तो आप ऑप्शन से आंसर तक पहुंच सकते हो. तो ऑप्शन के अकॉर्डिंग मीन्स सभी के फैक्टर निकालोगे तो बहुत समय लग जाएगा, टाइम लगेगा, तो टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस होगी. तो ऑप्शन के अकॉर्डिंग आंसर निकालो. तो 16 से आप सभी नंबर को डिवाइड करें, अगर हो गया तो 16 आंसर है, अगर नहीं हुआ तो 17 से सभी को डिवाइड करें, ओवर हो गया तो 17 आंसर है, 19 से करें तो कोई एक आंसर है. तो ये आपके लिए होमवर्क है, मतलब आप इसको कंप्लीट करें. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड इज हियर. Find the factor of the following numbers. Okay, so here question is 8 question is here. We solve the question 1, only 6 question, 324, and remaining question in homework. So you find the factor of the following number. So here we discuss about one question, exercise 3.1. question number first is here, sorry, second. Okay, second is here. Find the factor of the following number, and we solve the question number 6, 324. Okay, so we know that 1 multiply the 324, it means in roughly 1 divide the 324 time. So 1 is factor and 324 is also factor. So multiply, write the multiply, है ना. So you write the multiply in 1 and second last number is even. So 2 divide the 324. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 6 times 12 and 4 is 2 times. So 2 divide 162. 3 divide 324. 3 1 ja 3 and 0 and 24 is 8 times. 4 divide the 324. 4 is divide the 8 time and 4 1 ja 4, 81 time. 5 not divide the 24 means last is not 5. 6 divide the, because 2 and 6 also divide, so 6 is divide. 6 is divide the 5 time and 2 is 4, 54 time. Okay, and here so after 9, 7 is not divide the number. 9 divide the 324 is 3 27 and 654. Okay, 36 time. And next, 10 not divide, 11 not divide 12. 12 divide the 324 in 27 time. Okay, and last, and 18, it divide the 18 time. Okay, so here 18 and quotient is 18, so it is equal. So we write the factor is 1 to 18, and next 18 to 324. Okay, so step is here, the factors of the factor of the factors of 324 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 27. Means write this type and follow to top to bottom to top. So 18, 27, 36, 54, 81, 108, 162, and last one is 324. Okay, this question is big question, so we discuss about this question, and all the question is very simple, so you solve and write in fair copy. Next question number, next is here, next question is find the question number 3. Find the whether the 87 is the factor of the given number or not. So you divide the 87 by 87 the number. Okay, अब 87 से नंबर को डिवाइड कर, अगर कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड है तो यस इट इज फैक्टर, और नहीं डिवाइड रिमाइंडर अगर आता है तो इट इज नॉट फैक्टर ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. ओके, सो यू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 होमवर्क. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द मल्टीपल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स. तो सॉल्व द वन क्वेश्चन, we discuss about one question and remaining question in homework. So multiple, very easy question. Find the multiple of 12. Okay, so here exercise 3.1 is here, and question number 4 is here. Second question is 12. So write the step, the multiples of 12 equal to multiples of, you look at the spelling. Okay, again rightly correct, the multiples of 12 equal to 12 multiply 1 12, 12 multiply 2 24, 12 multiply 3 36, 12 multiply 40 60, 72, 84, and 96, 108, and 120, 132. Okay, that. So it is answer of multiple of 12. Okay, and next question is, fifth question is here. Write down the first 5 multiple of the given number. Only first 5 multiples. So you write the first 5 multiple. We solve the any question. Again, fifth is second question is also 12. So right step is the first five multiples of 12 equal to 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60. Okay, and you not get this because first 5, only first 5, so it is complete answer. Okay, and next question number is 6 is here, last question for today. Here, find the 8th multiple of the 80. So here we write question number 6, first part is here. First part is 8 multiple of 18. This means the 8th multiple of 80 equal to 8 multiply 80, because 8 multiple means multiply with 8, and here is 640 is answer. Okay, and next, multiple of 5 between the 32 and 62. So you write the table between 32 to 60. Okay, so here you write the step. Second, the multiple of the you write the step, the multiples of 5 between 32 and 62 equal to, here is answer is here, and after 32 is 35 is in 5 table, 40 is 5 table, 45 is also, 50 is also, 55 is also, and 60. So and 65 is greater than 62, so it is answer. Okay, so students, exercise is over. You solve the remaining question. Okay, remaining question in homework. Thank you very much. Thank you.